So you have a broken like a tube from your water pick, like a water floss. So what to do? You can also buy some parts or you can have a quick fix like me. So what we did is we bought this tube, or you can go to hardware store like Ace. This tube is like a 179 per foot, so that be long enough. This one is like a 1/4 inch in diameter, but it's a little bit tight, so you may find a little bit larger one, but it still works. So I dip this into a hot water. So very hot water. So if you feel it's softer, you may just stop. Okay, so it's getting warm now. I put the other end to the tube. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay, that should work. Okay, we successfully connected these two ends. Thank you.